In October 1961, the Soviet Union unleashed the most powerful nuclear bomb ever detonated, the Tsar Bomba. Its explosive force was equivalent to 58 megatons of TNT, dwarfing all other nuclear devices. The explosion's effects were astonishing. Buildings over 160 kilometers away were damaged, and the flash was visible from 1,000 kilometers. This is the story of Tsar Bomba, the emperor of bombs. The beginnings of nuclear weapons. In World War II, the United States first used nuclear weapons in warfare by dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These bombs demonstrated the devastating impact of nuclear weapons, killing tens of thousands instantly, with many more affected by radiation afterward. The Hiroshima bomb, Little Boy, released an energy equivalent of 15,000 tons of TNT. The Nagasaki bomb, Fat Man, was slightly more powerful, at 21,000 tons of TNT. However, compared to Tsar Bomba's 58 million tons of TNT, these early bombs were dwarfed by the Soviet test. The Tsar Bomba design. Tsar Bomba was an aerial hydrogen bomb, a thermonuclear weapon combining fission and fusion stages. Measuring 8 meters in length, with a diameter of 2.6 meters and weighing over 27 tons, the equivalent of 5 elephants, Tsar Bomba was a colossal creation. Its structure featured an initial atomic bomb located at the top of the casing. This contained a small plutonium sphere, enclosed by a beryllium mirror casing, and surrounded by conventional explosives. Beneath this primary bomb lay the fusion component, a cylinder of uranium filled with lithium deuteride and a central plutonium rod. Between these stages was a layer of styrofoam, which would become crucial for the bomb's reactions. Preparing for detonation. A specially modified Tu-95V bomber was tasked with delivering Tsar Bomba. The bomb's size meant it had to be mounted externally. To lessen the effects of the bomb's flash, the aircraft was painted bright white. At 11:32 a.m. Moscow time, the bomber released the bomb over the Medvezhya Bay test site, located on the remote island of Novaya Zemlya. Tsar Bomba was equipped with a large parachute to slow its descent, allowing the aircraft to reach a safe distance. Once it reached 4 kilometers above the ground, barometric sensors triggered the detonation sequence. 32 bridge wire detonators sent an electric spark that ignited the chain reaction inside. The explosion sequence. The chemical explosion began by compressing the plutonium sphere, initiating a fission chain reaction that generated temperatures reaching 100 million degrees Celsius, far hotter than the 15 million degrees at the sun's core. The intense gamma rays and X-rays produced heated the styrofoam layer, transforming it into plasma. This plasma compressed the fusion cylinder, igniting a fusion reaction in the lithium deuteride and releasing helium and neutrons. The newly created neutrons further fueled fission in the uranium casing and plutonium rod, resulting in a feedback loop of fission-fusion reactions. In just 600 billionths of a second, these reactions produced an explosion of staggering proportions, creating a mushroom cloud that rose more than 60 kilometers into the sky. The aftermath and legacy. The Tsar Bomba caused widespread damage with shock waves strong enough to shatter windows and damage structures over 160 kilometers away. The heat from the blast would have caused third-degree burns up to 100 kilometers away. Though never intended for combat, Tsar Bomba was a powerful statement. Amid the Cold War, its display demonstrated the overwhelming force of nuclear weapons and underscored the catastrophic potential of nuclear warfare. It stands as a reminder of the devastating power humans have created and a warning of the need for responsible action in the nuclear age. Thank you for watching. If you found this story interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.